Hey guys, Tech Enthusiast here, and in this video I will show you how to change Windows 11 centered taskbar to the left. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel is much appreciated. And while you are down there, like this video and let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite Windows 11 feature. And with all that being said, let's take a look. Thank you sticking with me till the end of this tutorial. I hope this video helped you to move Windows 11 centered taskbar to the left. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel is much appreciated. And also, if you are interested to other Windows 11 tweaks and customizations, check out my other videos. And with all that being said, I see you all in the next video. Peace.